In this video, I'll guide you through how to log in to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, accessing your Salesforce Marketing Cloud account is the first step to unlocking a world of marketing possibilities. So, let's get started on this simple process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you are comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to the address bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll need to type in either exacttarget.com or marketingcloud.com. Both URLs will lead you to the same login page for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It's essential to ensure that you type the address correctly to avoid any unnecessary errors or redirects. Now, once the page has loaded, you'll see the login screen. This is where you'll enter your credentials to access your Marketing Cloud account. You should see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. In the first field, carefully enter your Marketing Cloud username. Make sure there are no typos, as usernames are case-sensitive and must be entered exactly as they were set up. After entering your username, move on to the next field and type in your password. As with your username, your password is also case-sensitive, so take care to enter it correctly. If you're using a shared or public computer, be sure to deselect any Remember Me options to maintain your account's security. Once your credentials are entered accurately, the next step is to click on the Log In button. You'll find this button usually located just below the fields where you entered your username and password. Clicking Login sends your information to Salesforce Marketing Cloud for verification. If everything checks out, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard, where you can start managing your marketing campaigns and exploring all the features Salesforce has to offer. However, if you find yourself unable to log in, don't worry. There are a few common issues you can check. First, double-check your username and password for any typos. It's easy to make small mistakes, especially with complex passwords. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Clicking this link will guide you through the process of resetting your password securely. It typically involves verifying your identity through an email or a phone number associated with your account. Additionally, if you're experiencing persistent login issues, it might be helpful to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve many common problems related to website access and performance. Each browser has a slightly different method for clearing cache and cookies, so refer to your browser's help section if you need guidance. And there you have it. You've successfully logged in to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Remember, having easy access to your account is crucial for staying on top of your marketing efforts and making the most of the powerful tools at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day.